Let's go over how to install your WOOX Bravado buttstock on your Henry lever action rifle. This will be for the straight grip variations. Before you work on any firearm, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure there is no ammo in the firearm or in the immediate area. So I'm going to go ahead and rack the action a handful of times. I'm going to check the chamber visually as well as physically to ensure that there is no ammunition in the firearm. Now that I've confirmed that, we are safe to work on it. First thing that you're going to want to do is get yourself a flathead screwdriver, because we've just got 2 tang screws on this stock that is holding it on that we have to remove. So we've got one right here on the top. And now we've got one on the bottom. Once you have successfully removed both tang screws, you can go ahead and gently remove it from the rifle, and then you will install the WOOX Bravado using those same steps in reverse. Once that's done, go ahead and rotate it over, and you will only need to reinstall one of the screws in the top of the tang. You don't have to torque it down super tight. As long as it's snug, that should be good enough. You can put a drop of Loctite on it if you prefer. That will not hurt it at all. Now that we've got that installed, your WOOX Bravado stock is installed on your rifle.